Hey guys, all right, today we're going to be working on a 2008 Jeep Wrangler. This is a 2007 to 2011 models, replacing the rear struts and the front struts. This video is for the rear struts, and they're pretty easy to do. You don't even have to lift the car up. Matter of fact, you don't want to lift the car up if you don't have to, because when you tighten the bottom bolts, you want it to be the suspension and all the weight on the vehicle, so you don't twist the bushing in here. All right, so basically what you're going to need is maybe a 6-inch extension, a ratchet. The bottom bolt is 18 millimeter. Top bolts are 5/8. Okay, and you're going to need a 5/8 socket, 18 millimeter socket, a wrench, a breaker bar, and maybe a screwdriver to take them off and put them on. Like I said, they're pretty easy. All right. We're going to go to the vehicle now and show you exactly what to do. So it's just easy to do. You don't even need any jack stands. On the top bolts over there, you have, well, actually you get them from the bottom, I'm sorry. They're 18 millimeter, two of them, and this one on the bottom. And it comes right out, right? You put the other one in, and, you know, being that the truck is on the ground and all the weight is on it, you just tighten the bolt. I believe it's 60 pounds, and 60 pounds on those two top ones. And that's it. They're really, really fast to do. Take about 20 minutes aside. All you're going to need, like I said, is the 18 millimeter socket, wrench, and you're good to go. All right, guys. MotorCon 2020. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.